Hello, Senior 2. Our lesson today is about structure of plant leaf. We know that chloroplast exists in green parts of the plant. The chloroplast contains chlorophyll, which absorb light to make photosynthesis process. So before we study photosynthesis process, we must study the structure of plant leaf. As we can see here in our figure, the plant leaf composed of three main tissues: upper and lower epiderms, mesophyll tissue, and vascular tissue. First, upper epiderms. Upper epiderms composed of one row of parenchyma cells with no chlorophyll. Stomata spread between them, and the outer wall is covered with QT. So the upper epidermis and lower epiderms, no chlorophyll, stomata spread between them to allow the gas exchange. Part number 2, mesophyll tissue. Mesophyll tissue consists of two layers, palisade layer and spongy layer. Palisade layer lies below the upper epidermis, consists of one row of elongated cylindrical parenchyma cells arranged in columnar form. Palisade layer contains many chloroplasts. They arrange at the upper part of these cells. Why they are arranged in the upper part of these cells? To receive as much sun rays as possible, to receive so much sunlight. Okay. Part number 2, spongy layer, lies below the palisade layer, irregularly shaped and loosely parenchyma with large intercellular space. Okay, as we can see here, large intercellular space. It contains less chloroplast than palisade cells. Part number 3, the vascular tissue. We have the midrib of the leaf. It contains the main vascular bundle, while veins and venules contain many smaller secondary vascular bundles inside this vascular bundle. There are xylem vessels arranged vertically. Next to xylem, there is a surface of the phloem. Phloem translocates soluble organic food. As we know that xylem contains, or xylem transfer water and mineral salts, and phloem transfer food or carbohydrates. Before we study the mechanism of photosynthesis, we must know that what is the source of oxygen that the byproduct of photosynthesis process. We know that photosynthesis, carbohydrates plus water give us, carbon dioxide plus water give us carbohydrates, water, and oxygen. What is the source of oxygen? The oxygen came from carbon dioxide or from water. The scientist Van Niel is the first one who pointed out the role of light in photosynthesis. He studied photosynthesis in sulfur bacteria, and he noticed that in sulfur bacteria, it used H2S instead of water. So carbon dioxide plus H2S give us carbohydrates plus water plus sulfur. We use it as a reason or as a provement to know that the source of oxygen is not the water, is not the carbon dioxide. The source of oxygen is water. Another experiment to prove that, he used isotope of oxygen. What is isotope? We know that oxygen is oxygen 16, and we have isotope of oxygen, oxygen 18. First experiment, carbon dioxide plus H2O with oxygen 18, we found that the oxygen released is oxygen 18 as it came from water. Another experiment, carbon dioxide with oxygen 18 and water with oxygen 16 give us carbohydrates, water, and oxygen with isotope 16. So all of these three experiments prove that the source of oxygen in photosynthesis process is water, not carbon dioxide. Thank you.